I'm sure you've heard the news about Bitcoin, right? But do you know what it actually is and why it's such a big deal? Let's dive right in. Created in 2009 by the mysterious Satoshi Nakamoto, Bitcoin sparked the revolution of digital currency. Unlike your usual dollars or euros, Bitcoin operates independently of any central authority. That's right, no banks, no unnecessary fees. Now how does it work? Imagine a digital wallet on your phone where you can send or receive Bitcoin in a snap. It's global, fast, and secure thanks to something called blockchain technology. But hold on, it's not all smooth sailing. Bitcoin's price can swing wildly, so while it offers a chance for significant gains, the risks are equally high. Here's a kicker, only 21 million Bitcoins will ever exist. This scarcity is what could make Bitcoin retain value over time. Whether it's for buying a coffee or an investment, Bitcoin is reshaping how we think about money. Interested in more crypto insights? Hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more updates. Thanks for tuning in.